Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find old face filter in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending. Slide right here and you have to go to funny. That one funny. Now slide up. And remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. And there you go. And suppose you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover, and in discover you can search for old face, and in this page you will see videos with this effect. Now tap on this video and at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the effect icon. You have to tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and from there also you can use this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.